So here is my car overview. It's a FIAT 500L. Here are my keys. It's a little flippy one, just if you can hear it, it's like really cloudy right now. So when you first open my door, this is like the overview of my car. That stain is literally from water. My seats are so weird. If you get water on them, they stain really easily. See that? That's like from me leaving my freaking window open and freaking it start raining. But here is my steering wheel. I sit pretty close to it, if I'm being honest. I do have a touch screen, as well as in there I have a camera in the back, so when I reverse I can see. I really like that. I do have Beats as my speakers. It's pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. And on here I have rosary, and I got that from a swap meet. I don't remember how much. I got it because it was pink. I've had it since my old car. And on here, this has my cat's ashes in it. This has my daughter's ashes, and so I keep that. I have this air freshener. It's not the usual one that I used to like to watch, but it will do. On here I have my favorite fortune I've ever got that says accept yourself. Then I have this melted picture of my godson's family. Probably need to fix that and try to clean it. Don't keep much in here. There's a little console right here that has air freshener. This is my favorite Yankee Candle smell, Pink Sands, as well as I have Tums and Excedrin migraine pills because your girl has stomach aches and headaches all the time. But
very special. Will I forget you? I might probably never. I treat you special 'cause you